Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. And in this video, today we will learn present perfect tense part 7. And in this video today we will explore that is how to contract the present perfect tense helping verbs. Yes, you were right because we are supposed to explain that today. Today we will learn the contraction. So let's look how the contraction counts and uses. Let's see here. So here we are watching that is contraction is used in the both sides. One is positive and the another word is negative. We know the negative one, but today we will get know the positive. So here, for example, we can start from here when we say I have. On the time, what we generally do, we generally cut this and then we add an apostrophe here and add two parts. Then it becomes like this, I've. Same here. You have becomes you've. We have we've. They have they've. Here I am pronouncing like v sound. Okay? V sound. They've, we've, you've, I've, like this. And if we talk about that is has, same here, we have to cut two words of this, then we have to add the apostrophe in one part. Then with this and with this, we have to add the two parts and then it becomes like this, he's. My sound is, okay, he's, she's, like this. She has becomes she's. It has becomes eats, like this. So I hope you get it. But there's one key point and there's one problem in here. That is, sometimes his is used in different kinds of topics. Sometimes it used with present simple. For example, he's a teacher. So his means here he is. He's a teacher. It's in the present simple. And sometimes it is also used with the what? With the continuous. For example, like this. What? He's studying English. So here, he's means what? He's means what? The word he's means here, he is. Okay? The helping verb here and then ing. It's in the continuous. Present continuous. He's studying English. Okay? And then next is he has eaten his lunch. So here, sometimes he also indicates that is he has eaten his lunch. Sometimes it also indicates like this. Okay? So on that time, we use it here. He's eaten his lunch. He has eaten his lunch. So here is the combination about the word of he's. But you have to understand the sentence. You have to understand the meaning of the sentence. Then you have to catch it out, that is which tense it is. And then when it comes to your mind and heart, you have to use it. But you have to understand the question, okay, the pattern of the sentence question. Then you can do it. So I hope you have get it. So these are the contraction of the positive sides. Okay? Now we will emphasis on negative. Now we will give you a great explanation about the negative. For example, like this, we know the negative side. What? Because when we use have not, for example, I have not, you have not, we generally what do? We generally cut the O, okay? We generally cancel out the O, then we add the apostrophe and then we add the two parts together. Then it becomes haven't. I haven't, you haven't. Okay, we haven't, they haven't. Same like has. On the time, if we say same like has, okay, same like has. Okay, if we say has not, you have to cut the O and then add the apostrophe, and it becomes he hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't. So is the main topic about the contraction ones in the both sides, present perfect or positive and negative. Okay, so I hope you get it about the contraction. Okay, contraction topic. And if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, everyone. And see you in the next video, everyone. And bye for now.